Hey there, Rob Subek with Don's Appliances in Canonsburg. Here today we're going to be talking about whether or not GE Profile appliances are worth the extra cost versus your mainline GE product. The short answer is yes, but it would depend on what it is that you need. Whenever you take a look at GE Profile's lineup, specifically in refrigeration for example, it's all going to be French door and side-by-side models. When you go into the GE mainline, you're going to see a lot more top mounts, bottom freezer, single door, much more basic units, and you're going to see availability in just regular textured white and black or gloss black and white appliances as well. GE is a more basic lineup, whereas GE Profile are going to be the higher end. So French door, side by side, full depth, counter depth, outside dispensers, none of the basic models. As you move through their segment into the dishwashers, you'll see the biggest difference between your mainline GE and your Profile. That light blue finish that you see in there indicates microban. So what that is going to do is protect against any sort of bacteria, mold and mildew, and things of that nature. That's going to be exclusive to the GE Profile and the higher end lines in GE's family and not be in that mainline GE product. Additionally, you're going to see a much lower decibel rating as you climb through the Profile lineup, whereas in the GE lineup, I believe about a 45 or 46 decibel unit is going to be the highest end in that mainline offering. You're also going to have some front control models in the mainline GE. All the Profile is going to be top control with the buttons up top like this unit here. Moving into cooking, whether it be freestanding or built-in, one of the huge differences of moving up into the GE Profile line is going to be able to offer the induction ranges, a lot more slide-in ranges with the flat back and all the controls up front, full color TFT displays on those slide-in ranges, on their built-in wall ovens, on their built-in microwaves with drop-down doors. A lot more technology going into this series. One of the biggest things to highlight would be the Chef Connect programming. So all the GE Wi-Fi appliances utilize the Smart HQ app on your phone, your tablet, whatever you use. When you use the GE Profile ranges, wall ovens, cooktops, and then the microwaves and range hoods, they can actually connect together via Bluetooth with that Chef Connect feature. That is exclusive to the GE Profile line and the models above it. You cannot get that in the GE mainline. So as an example, if I had these units connected via the Chef Connect programming, when I turn a burner on my induction range down below, the ventilation on the microwave will automatically turn on to a speed appropriate for the power level that I choose. This isn't something you're going to get in the mainline GE, and this is one of those feature benefits you're going to see people step up into the Profile line for. And finally, something really cool that's unique and different. When you go into the Profile cooking line, you're not just going to get your conventional double drop-down door oven. You can still get convection in the mainline GE, but when you move into Profile, you're going to see the offering of the earlier mentioned full TFT display, but then side swing doors, either with that left hinge or that right hinge. No, they can't be reversed. You need to order it the way you need it. But this is another reason why you would see a client step up from mainline GE into the Profile. So the long and the short of it is, GE Profile is worth the money if they have the products that you're looking for that aren't available in that mainline GE product line.